Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings, then Passwords and Security, and tap Fingerprint Unlock. This is the path on most MI phones. You will be asked to confirm your PIN or pattern. Do that now, because the system requires authentication to change biometric data. Once done, you'll see Registered Fingerprints listed. Don't pause. Identify the fingerprint name or slot you want removed. This initial step is essential because it prevents accidental deletions and ensures you're authorized to modify security settings. You now tap the fingerprint entry you want to remove, then choose Delete or Remove. MIUI will ask for PIN confirmation again, which is normal. This prevents remote tampering. If you want all fingerprints cleared, repeat this per entry. Make sure to also check app-specific fingerprint toggles, banking, vault, and app lock, because disabling a fingerprint in system settings doesn't always revoke app-level biometric access. Take your time here. Removing entries one by one avoids accidentally deleting the wrong fingerprint. You finish by rebooting the phone and returning to Fingerprint Unlock to verify the list is empty. This confirms the system applied changes. If a fingerprint won't delete, check device admin settings or disable app lock and any third-party lock apps. They can block biometric changes. If problems persist, back up your data and consider a factory reset as a last resort, because that clears stubborn biometric records. Quick tip: ensure no MDM or work profile is enforcing biometric policies. Otherwise,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.